Question number 16. Balance in the books of Jason on 1st July 2019. Trade receivables. Provision for doubtful debts. Trade receivables 30th June 2020. Opening balance they are given. This is the closing balance. 58,500. On which 500 is written off, irrecoverable. This is the bad debt. Customer didn't pay this amount. Jason wants to maintain his provision for doubtful debts. Provision for doubtful debts 2% on trade receivables. What was the change in provision for doubtful debt? What is the change in doubtful debts on 30th June 2020? The opening provision for doubtful debt was 1,284. Next, we have to calculate the closing and compare both balance. This is increasing or decreasing. Closing debt is 58,500. But there is one bad debt. Before calculating the provision for doubtful debts, we should deduct bad debt. So here the bad debt is 500. Amount 58,000 is the debt is. So we calculate the provision for doubtful debts on 58,000. 58,000 multiply 2 by 100. What is the amount? 1,160. 1,160 is the closing provision for doubtful debts. The opening was 1,284. 1,284 was the opening. But now the amount is decreased. This is became decreased 1,160. What is the difference? The difference is 1,284 minus 1,160 is equal to 124 decreased. Before the first it was 1,284. Now it became 1,160 decreased 124. So the correct option is 124 decrease. Option B is the correct answer. 17th. Nirmal sells two products, product G, product H. The following information available about his inventory at the end of the financial year. Product G 1,000, product H 800. They are given cost, price and net realizable value. It was found that 100 units of product G were damaged and were unsaleable. So that they have to remove from the stock. What was the total value of Nirmal's inventory? Here they are given two stock, product G and H, 1,000 and 800 units. But out of product G, 100 units is damaged. They cannot sell this amount. So this we have to remove from 1,000 unit. It will be 1,000 minus 100. It become 900. Then H is the same amount 800. So H has 800. Next, to calculate the value, we have to multiply with the price. What is the price of the item? How to value the inventory? Inventory always value lower of cost or net realizable value. Cost or net realizable value, which is lower? The first one, cost is 2, net realizable value is 2.50. So 2 is the lower. So 900 multiply 2. Second one, Cost price is 1.50 while net realizable value 1.20. This is the lower cost. So we multiply with 1.2. 900 into 2, 1800. 800 multiply 1.2, 960. So what is the total amount? 1800 plus 960, 2760, 2760. So the correct answer is option A. Question number 18. Which items will not be shown, which is not shown in income statement of service business? Income statement of service business only prepare the profit and loss account section. There is no trading account section. So they are given the options. Cost of sales. Cost of sales will not shown in the income statement. This is correct. Gross profit not shown. Profit for the year. Profit and loss account section, they will prepare wages. They will show in the profit and loss account section. So the correct are 1 and 2. A, B. Correct option is B. Question number 19. A trader provided the following information. Capital on 1st October, opening capital. Motor vehicle given to the business, additional capital. Personal expense, drawing, and cash drawing, again drawing. What is the question? The question is, what was the capital at 30th September? Closing capital. Here they are given opening capital, additional capital, drawing, again drawing. Closing capital is equal to opening capital plus additional capital minus drawing. So here opening capital is, what is the opening capital? Opening capital is 52,000. Opening capital is 52,000. Plus additional capital. Additional capital is 3,500. Drawing is 1,500 plus 500 minus 2,000 is equal to 53,500. Correct answer is C. Next. Question number 20. John and Mark are in partnership. Profit or losses are shared 3:2. John is entitled to an annual salary $12,000. The profit for the year ended 31st August 2020 was 52,000. How much would be credited to partner's current account on 31st August 2020? Here they are given the end profit, year-end profit, annual salary. They are given annual salary of John 12,000 and the profit for the year ended 31st August. This is the final profit. Actually, this profit is after done the salary adjustment. So, how to divide this profit? 52,000 multiply 3 by 5. 52,000 multiply 2 by 5. So, John amount is 36,000 and Mark amount is 16,000. So, the correct answer is D.